All right, bud, come on down. I was just... Toothless, what'd you pull this out for? You don't need this anymore. Come on, let's get going. Would you quit fooling around? You have your new tail now. Toothless? Toothless, stop! What are you doing? Winter in Burke lasts most of the year, and the only real comforts against the cold are those you keep close to your heart. Okay, bud, you ready? Yeah! Turns out, that was the best snoggle talk ever. That year, I gave my best friend a pretty great gift.